coming to you live from Round Rock. This is Barton George, and I'm here with Sean Doherty of EnterpriseDB. Sean, how are you?
Good, good. Thanks for having me.
So can you tell us, first of all, what is EnterpriseDB?
EnterpriseDB is the Enterprise PostgreSQL database company. So essentially, we're the commercial entity that has a certified supported distribution based on the PostgreSQL open source database.
So would it be like the Red Hat model where you have to buy a subscription to get access to it? Or, well, I'm assuming that you don't have to. You know that you can get the community edition or you can get your version. So how do you monetize?
Right. So it's very similar to Red Hat in that it is a subscription model. So customers can either download community PostgreSQL and come to us for support, or they can download our flagship product, which is Postgres plus Advanced Server, and that's basically it's our certified distribution of Postgres with some additional performance enhancing tools, security tools, management and monitoring tools, and Oracle database compatibility.
And where would you all in the wild and wacky world of data today? Where would you fit? How would what side of the equation are you all on?
So we're a relational database. So we would handle structured data for the most part. So imagine if you're on Amazon and you're clicking through, you're browsing books and reviews of books, and you go from one to the next. Those pages that get presented to you are just as easily given to you, presented to you with an unstructured database. So you could use a NoSQL database for that, for instance, or even a Hadoop database. But the minute that you click buy and you want to actually perform a transaction where you're going to send information and receive back information, reading and writing, that's when you'd want to use a relational database.
And speaking of Amazon, you guys just had an announcement recently involving them.
We did, yeah. So we just announced Postgres plus Cloud Database, and our Cloud Database allows customers, right now it's hosted on EC2. We're building a version for OpenStack as well for several of our partners, including Dell. But it allows you to use either PostgreSQL or our advanced server in a cloud database as a service, so that you can very quickly create a database cluster and then manage and monitor that database cluster with automated DBA tasks, failover, backup, auto-scaling, things of that nature.
Cool. And then just to end with, what's coming up for EnterpriseDB in the next 6 months to a year that you can talk about? What are some of the goals you have?
Well, we'll be continuing to improve our Postgres plus Cloud database, again with builds for OpenStack. It'll be available on bare metal. It'll also be available for private cloud use as well. And we always, with every, so Postgres plus Advanced Server 9.1 was just launched about 3 weeks ago. We'll have another launch of 9.2 in about 9 months, and that will be our 9th generation of Oracle compatibility technology. And the key there is you can take an application written for Oracle and migrate it to Advanced Server without having to change the underlying application code. So we'll continue to evolve that compatibility technology, and then you'll continually see things like our Postgres Plus connector for Hadoop, things that easily allow customers and users that have needs for both structured and unstructured data to be able to easily have those things combined.
Excellent. Sean Doherty, thank you so much.
Sure, thanks.